Hey friends, today we are going to review slides. Now, slides have been such a fun thing to learn as we've been learning our new letter names and sounds, but now you've learned all your letter names and sounds, and so we see a lot of slides coming up in the books that we are reading in K4. So let's just do some review. Now remember, a slide is simply a consonant and a vowel smushed together to make one sound. So 1, 2, two letters make one sound when they're together. Sound that with me. D says D, O says ah, so D, ah, da, 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 da. And remember, something that is so fun to do when we are practicing our slides is to use our hands. So do this with me. D says D, O says ah, so D, ah, da, 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 da. That's right. We put our hands together when we have made the new sound. First we have two different sounds, D and ah, but they come together to make one new sound, da. D, ah, da, 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 da. And the slide da is what makes up the word dog. Dog, 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 dog. That's why it's so good to know your slides, because when you learn a three-letter word, you already know the first two letters. Dog, dog. How about this slide? D says D, A says ah, so D, ah, da, 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 da. Like dad. Yeah, we'll put a D there for dad. Awesome. All right, how about D-E? D, a, da, 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 da. Awesome. Like a deck. D-E-C-K. A deck. You went out on your deck. Let's do this one here. D says D, U says ah, so D, da, 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 da. Like you, or like your dog dug a hole. How about this one? D-I. D says D, I says I, so D, I, D, 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 D. Like we could add the letter M. D, dim. Dim, like the light was dim. It wasn't very bright. All right. And just remember, when you're doing those slides, use your hands. D, I, D, 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 D for the slide D-I, which says D. All right. Now, this is so good to know, especially when we are reading words. So, this word right here might look a little scary. It's got 1, 2, 3 letters. But I always like to circle the slide first, and first just sound out the slide. So ignore that letter. M says U says so ma, ma, ma. Then all I have to figure out is what this letter says. D says D, so mud, mud, mud. We played in the mud. How about this one? P-A-T. I may not know what that says right away, but let's just circle the slide because we're so good at slides. So P says P, A says ah, so P, ah, pa, 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 pa. T says T. So I'm just putting these sounds together. Pa,